Hello everyone, this is Dacia from Linbay Machinery. Welcome back to our channel. Today in our factory we have the stud roll forming machine and the track roll forming machine. And on my hand I have the stud profiler and the track profiler. These two profilers are of standard sizes of Chile Medalgon. The standard sizes is with a width of 60 millimeters and 90 millimeters of the stud, and the 62 millimeters and the 92 millimeters of the track. And when we use these two profilers, this is when we use these profilers, they can install together. And because in this case, these two profilers are in different widths, so we are using two different roll forming machines to produce profilers. And when we producing the stud and the track profilers of Mexico or United States, we can produce stud profiles and track profiles in one machine because they are in the same width. In this case, when we producing the Chile standard sizes of drywall profilers, we can buy both the track roll forming machine and the stud roll forming machine. And in this case, the thickness of these profilers are also standard 0.85 millimeters and 0.5 millimeters. When we producing the thickness of 0.85 millimeters, there are no embossing on the side of the profiler. But when we producing the thickness of 0.5 millimeters, we can have the embossing on the side of the profilers. So the station of the embossing roller can lift when we are not producing the embossing. And when we need to produce embossing, we put down the rollers. So that's all about the information about these two profilers. If you are interested in producing these two profilers, please watching the video of instruction of track roll forming machines and the stud roll forming machines. See you next time. Bye.